You are a grand prize winner and proud new owner of one of the most ridiculous off-road sprinter vans in the world that we call Athena. You can call it whatever you want, but make sure you get your butt over here to take this thing home, dude. Congratulations, Scott.
This has got to be, this has got to be a prank call because this can't be that good.
All right, so we're gonna call Scott. Can't say his last name yet until he officially accepts, but let's check this out. All right. Come on, buddy.
Hello, you've reached Scott Turner. I'm unavailable.
Well, that just... Let's see if he answers a second time. I heard Scott went to jail last week.
Hello, you've reached Scott Turner.
Someone on Instagram just posted that. It was funny. Come on, Scott.
Hello, this is Scott Turner.
Hey, Scott. It's Chris Carter from Forge 4x4.
Hey, how's it going, Carter?
Good, man. Hey, just for the sake of, we're recording this live right now. Is it okay that we are using your name?
Sure. Well, sure, yes.
Yeah. So I don't know. Do you remember signing up for a Sprinter Van sweepstakes a couple months ago?
I absolutely do.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, did you know what we're doing today?
I did not remember what day you were gonna possibly awarding it, but boy, that would be some amazing news if you're calling me with any kind of news like that.
Well, Scott, there is no other reason to call you but than to tell you that you are a grand prize winner and proud new owner of one of the most ridiculous off-road sprinter vans in the world that we call Athena. You can call it whatever you want, but make sure you get your butt over here to get your get in the driver's seat and take this thing home, dude. Congratulations, Scott.
No, you have got to be kidding me. This has got to be. This has got to be a prank call because this can't be that good. Are you kidding me?
I am not kidding you. 100% serious. We were just calling you like an angry girlfriend to try and get you on the phone.
And I saw the call come in from San Diego, and I was on another call. I'm dealing with a family situation, and which is it's been really kind of challenging.
Well,
and
hopefully
sad.
this.
So if this is just amazing news, if that's true.
It is 100% true. Do you have an iPhone by chance?
I do. Yes.
If you want, I could FaceTime you right now and show you the van.
Well, hang on one second, because I was. Let me get to a place where it would work.
Yeah, no sweat, man. Well, in the meantime, man, I'm very stoked for you. We just got the name this morning from our third-party sweepstakes company. You signed up in February, I believe, during 5X entries, and I think you also got a shirt, if my record is correct.
I did.
Sweet.
Absolutely.
Well, you know what? We have nothing to do with the drawing. It's a 100% blind drawing. We got the name this morning. We're excited for you, and yeah, I just wanted to learn a little bit more about you. Like, what do you live in Richmond, Virginia?
I do. Yes, I live in Richmond, Virginia, and have 4 amazing kids. And this would be very exciting. I mean, there's lots of possibilities with what you're calling me about today. So we love doing things outside, and I just have never won anything like this. So this would be super exciting.
That's exciting.
I am back in my office, a little winded from coming upstairs because I was on the phone and I had to let my dog out at the same time. But I could FaceTime with you if you'd like.
Yeah, let me just, I'm going to record my screen so we could use it for a video later if that's all right. And let me see if I can do this. Hey, Scott. What's up, man?
How's it going?
Right there is your new Sprinter van, dude.
Oh, my God. This is just, I'm sorry, but this is incredible.
Yeah.
This is...
You could say hi to everyone on Instagram and Facebook. I don't know if YouTube.
Oh, my God.
Yeah.
Wow.
Our ragtag group of crew here, but no, we're all set up, and I think the only next step, we're going to send you to our third-party sweepstakes company. You'll sign the official paperwork, and then once you accept the prize, you get the van plus $20,000 in cash.
Oh, you got to be kidding me. this is. I got the first place. I know I've seen some of your videos where you've given these amazing gifts out before, and you're like, well, what national park are you going to go to? Where are you going to go? And this is in my office here, so I don't know if you see this.
Nice.
But this is Maroon Bells in Colorado. My sister used to live not too far from there, and she gave me this before she passed.
Wow.
So this is like, whenever I think of going somewhere in the backcountry, it's where she is, and so this gift means more to me than you would even know. And you're an awesome organization that you even do these types of things, and I know logistically it's got to be a tremendous effort to pull together the sponsorships and then to build something like these trucks that you give away are just, something I would only dream about. So very excited.
I mean, you hit it on the head. We started building this in 2022, bought it brand new. There was, I think, 6 miles on it. It's a turbo diesel, so it gets like 15, 17 miles a gallon, even with 33-inch tires, and literally ground up restoration. Tommy Camper Vans did the interior. We did all the exterior lighting and also the suspension. This thing it turns heads, it's rad, and you are going to absolutely love it, man.
I'm like speechless. This is just incredible. Wow, very exciting.
I'm excited for you too. I think what we'll do, let me give a quick little outro to these guys, and then I'll discuss the logistics with you, because what I'd like to do is fly you, and heck, let's get the whole family out here. Whoever can make it based on your guys' schedules, come down to San Diego, experience the van. We'll put you guys up in a hotel for a couple days, and then you have the option of driving at home, and I'll pay for your gas, or we'll ship it to your front door.
Oh my God, that sounds awesome. Thank you
Sweet.
so much.
What do you want to say to everyone watching right now who isn't Scott Turner? For all those who entered that, sadly we can only have one winner. Our goal is to give away 1 million of these things. So what do you say to everyone watching right now who didn't get their name hat pulled this time, but you never know in the future?
Well, so first off, I would say thank you to you and your organization, and for sponsoring something like this. I'm sure, like some of your past winners that say, yeah, this sounded great. This is like, I've done sweepstakes in the past. You guys are for real, and this is an amazing offer, and what you build, the quality, and what I've seen in some of the videos make it just look absolutely like you guys are doing the right thing from a business perspective. But yeah, anyone that's watching this, if you're not, partnering with you as an organization to partner with your company, or buying things from your site and your business, they need to start doing it yesterday. So
you know what? I couldn't have said it better myself. Scott, thank you for entering. Thank you for taking the chance on us. And fortunately, you're the winner today. And hopefully, everyone watching, you guys could be our winner for our next sweepstakes, which is live right now. So, Scott, I'll give you a call back right after this call, and then, we'll figure it out.
Super. Thank you so much.
All right, brother.
Appreciate it.
Everyone say bye to Scott. Thanks, guys.
Look forward to seeing you.
All right, me too.
Sounds good.
Thanks, buddy. I'll call you back in a little bit.
Thanks. Yep.
Thank you for everyone who watched and tuned in. Thank you for everyone who entered. And if your name isn't Scott Turner, hope is not all lost. Our Chaos and Hades sweepstakes is live. We're starting out with 5X entries. Scott entered during 5X entries for our Sprinter van, and he is our proud new owner. Max those entries today by going to forge4x4.com. I'm excited for this one. It's going to be fun.